Hey everybody, it's me, Duolingo. Hey, do you want to come inside to my clubhouse? Well, alright, let's go. Haha, I almost forgot. To make the clubhouse appear, we get to say the magic words. The magic words are Miska, Małezka, Duolingo. Say it with me. Miska, Małezka, Duolingo.
Duolingo, Duolingo. It's the Duolingo's Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside. Duolingo's Clubhouse. Roll call. Diego, Leo, Lily, Floof Dog, Boo, Girlingo, Duolingo.
Right here.
It's the Duolingo's Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside. Duolingo.
It's the Duolingo's clubhouse. Shiny birds.
Hey
Hi,
everyone,
I'm
it's
Duolingo.
me. What are you
guys
guys
doing here?
Oh my god, Pooh and Duolingo. How dare you do a lot of bad stuff.
That's it, the enemy is finally gone.
Yay 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 yay.
I
Oh
know.
no. What a nice day today. Oh my god, Sebastian, we told you that you were banned from the clubhouse.
I know.
Hot dog. Hot dog. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Now we got cheers. It's time for cheers. Hot dog, the problem solved. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. It's a brand new day, what you waiting for? Get up, stretch out, stomp on the floor. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. We're slipping the scene, we're full of beans. So long for now from Duolingo.
That's me.
And the Duolingo's Clubhouse.
See you soon guys, haha.